every bare 5 months in here Okatakyie will go to jail or chira document biography no one ask or court or the defamation court one chira document after so many bubu no after there was say yamfa document matching ewa bra wa adwene ketua se dwie so wa adwene nya ketua dia se court ma ruling ye twen kakra ansa na judgment aba
precisely so
kofi ya kase defamation kwa se kire sai obi a defame obi a ye wo ka kire court no se ye di kan me kwa afrifa me kofi kwa ako me eye bill me ti society mu na me wani monyam ma bobredu baabi se bi society ni bume me wo ba ma ware me wo dibre bi na me ye adwuma bi e discover me na asumasi asem a waka ana watro so when it comes to defamation there are two forms of defamation either libel by writing or slander by speaking it will cause some chiro bia sa asem no betimi ayese a defamation ebu okura wa money panidi na mom na asem no a wo kan ye no ana wo draw cartoon bi sa cartoon no in the right thinking members of the society na dwene no omo hwe ye ho na omo dwen say ye no se wa mo ne di kura na se ye dwen say ye akosua dia ene ye friend innuendos so another form of defamation ona be ka kire manfo ne se kotikitu case ye be wie nyesa e wa abra na case ni kwa substantive matter ne ye nko so if say court for defamation and and there are so many defenses for defamation it could be a fair comment any other thing is available to hear the defendant so Supreme Court ruling it is binding on the lower courts Court of Appeal and High Court there are several Supreme Court judgments emphasizes say when you file an affidavit of claim and a lawyer for the you cannot come back and ask for default judgment affidavits of claim and this is pure knowledge in law right knowledge in law ave movie omumoshi no and yet na wa hwe ya adia che ni ya ba be ma ruling on the whether or not ombenya default judgment na branch ya ba no abetro e woni judge no say judge ne set up na go fi ade ba ko ne say utimi court na e bia ye ka say we kromfo it will say there be a defaming ba ko dru a e bia na nye kromfo na ye rapist it court no ye provision na ye rapist court no be ka say there be whom deserve it e bo okura no a utimi nya defamation no but who ask for 10 million ba court no betimi ahwe on flowers ntoma ya ufrefra also e bia mema 1000 Ghana say dia na ase ne kan Japan de ye obia wona ne suma semu delay ana delay ngoi na menua bema se delay koni mpaso a esu osu ni nyame wonim muasa to me fa ni pesi wo e dia yade e ye wo mo ne asoso nkwase asem wo journalism ya me be kun wo sa kwa wo oni ade ya manfo ti ya be kun catch no fire said you abuse people in their homes ya me be kun sikadwa be kun cause who abuse nkofo said you abuse ma e ma said you na we oni yire papa bia cause o yire papa said you see abuse ma obi fire oh the way na man no budget me so kuma se no they feel liberated na ko ai business former na kan krofo ni o ma hye na arewo mu o sad wo mbesi wo choma dapa na monum kankan na mu fi na mu ade enkono
abusha we de ma menchia na memo akwa banfa wo embra sa afidie kase so na kamya ise the social media intokwa kase ya Okatakyie berima frifa wone yenu abema Kelvin Taylor wonum ishaye embrebe se na otwe kakra ne die tokwanum emu ya na ye den na ye be kan na ya hye no nso enche pi no a na Okatakyie free fa de baba tu biase ebre bi etwam no Kevin Eko Taylor o papa ya wo boase e de ne kopie mu asem de bia ne nyina ne se bema Okatakyie akasa atwi no anase wabo ni din de aka asem eno nti wo mra court no mna meyi na no fi sensem a Okatakyie eka gu ne so no nokure bia enim eno nti ebre ye kokopie mu court sa no de NDC amnyoko na chitafo na afenso Kevin Taylor chitafo ene wonum edo ensem hodo ya na Kevin Taylor ne expose ahodo de ba no wo mo do sa nsem ne de wo mo bo se papa free se wonum ni se de okwambra ne ba kwa obo my Ghana mu a wasole gyan na so a one Kevin Taylor edi asie no mo kompa no eno ne Okatakyie enti se nei aba bedadwa se opapa atumi asaman Okatakyie e wasemdibia na ye ka kɔbɔ ne ka be 10 million Ghana cedi dia na kyese ya asɛm a ebetimi abrɛ Okatakyie ase sɛ de be kyene bi no ontimi mampo na wone Kevin Taylor aba betoto bio na asɛm bɛkɔ enko asɛm bɛkɔ na ewomu a na ɛho sɛm kakra aba be ho nyan mu social media no so ewomu na aba kakra ewomu na ate akakoda na na be sɛ na ɔtwe kakra ne ye ajebu aja enya bedru ya amofra asɛm no court na omofra sɛ asɛm wɔ court yi na ye nyina asɛm twerɛfo nso de ani de akyire bi ebeka ko wie sɛ asɛm no kɔ wie yi a na Okatakyie afrifa watimi adi nkonim amenam so ama Ghana sika foforo yi empem enwotwe 8000 Ghana cedi ena yede ato Kevin Taylor papa so sɛ ɔmra metua firi sɛ ensɛm ahodo de wontansa bom Okatakyie no ebra ya omuhwehwe mu no na kyese no kora bi anim nti papa no ena sese de yɛse yɛbɔ ne ka na yɛde ma Okatakyie afrifa ne no ena sese de ababe deja ya amanfo atwa bɔ Kevin Taylor sɛ wosɔle ya wano pan wote amonone wote nsuo agya ena wotu bi ma ne nsɛmtwerɛfo wɔ Ghana wote asuo agya ena wodidi mpanimfo atem wɔ Ghana sɛ wo bɛma mu dia ena yɛbɔmɔden asɛ obeti fam aba ɔman Ghana na ne Okatakyie afrifa ɛde abɛfɛ fi so ɔno ne bodu na ne yɛ dinti na ɔte Ghana ha no ma wɔkyerɛ na adwen ɛno ti ɛsɛ bebre no ana na wɔtwe mu a ena Okatakyie afrifa nya kwan na wɔkɔkyerɛ na fidie yi so for the records na sɛ wɔsi biebie niema ani ne sɛ de sansemi si kɔ ye no de menim sɛ Kevin Taylor kakra sɛ wɔdwo wɔ niema bi a ababɛdadwan menkɔ na yenya brɛ kakra na yentie Okatakyie afrifa ne nsɛm a wɔba ba mu ɛne sɛ de sɛ de ɔmo so ehu saa de yisifa
yes obi papa kɔ court I've ye demanded documents. Hey, Bobby, I've ye demanded documents. Ne free by 5 months in here. Okatakyie will go to jail. Watch that document by Ogra. No one was walk court. Or the defamation court. One chila document. After so many bubo onwa. After there, or say yamfa document mention. Ewa bra wa adwene ketua se dwie so wa adwene nya ketua dia se court ma rulia ye twen kakra ansa na judgment aba
precisely so
because there must be deep writing of the judgment
exactly
Obi also on the trust yes afa ye nchirim 2023 ana abrantie ya ayi ama apaputela kitchen boy and was here didn't papa trem na say obia wo ba bia mekokɔ ye ne ya obi etini papa de ye court defamation na me medical ka kyerem say asem bia no ameka no kro no abisuru ana me wa lawyer for de ne say adwumo say da bia no wa shine shoe ti ye akosua sa asante ono so saa o wa mo ye ni ade bebre lawyer for no bebre pam for lawyers
exactly
it war ya no was what they make court na me dey mfa court nremra na bi o lawyer for akai to a court no when him say 2 years no almost no o man ndi court case na chi ada tieni o change of government ba ye ya no mo sha sia near o mo file you say eti dia ya ne se ukodu court a kofi ya ka se defamation ko ase kire se obi a defame obi a ye wo ka kire court no se ye di kan me ko afrifa me kofi ko akọ me eye bill me ti society mu na me wani monyam mabobre du baabi se bi society ni bume me wo ba maware me wo dibre bi na me ye adwuma bi e discover me na asumasi asem a waka ana watworo so when it comes to defamation there are 2 forms of defamation either libel by writing or slander by speaking it will cast some chirobia sa asem ne betimi ayese a defamation ebu okura wa money panidi na mom na asem no a wo kan ye no and now who draw cartoon sa cartoon in the right thinking members of the society na dwene no omo hwe ye ho na omo dwen say ye no se wa mo ne di kwa na se ye dwen say ye akosua dia and ye friend innuendos so another form of defamation it is a wo court one of the cardinal principles of defamation is say obeba be gina dakem ni atoto ano afa mranche yi wo mo se da bi wo papa de wo mane ma dakem besuma lawyer for ye ready twem so obeba dakem chenio also manema ana wo court wa obi unless you don't understand the processes your civil procedure wo court wa so there is a substantive law and there is procedural law it is civil procedure no ebo wa asem no ade ko so one follow the processes you won't get there it's your fee no na so mo ana me lawyer o mo file ni a file yes ni ade so wunya sharp lawyers o ma gwene ana ye ni ade ni a file say there must be a representation mo na say mbe gina da kem ni atuma no if you atuwa e bia be ka kire court say wan munyam enso e bia ne mre bia atwa mu repeat 13 years akola bi society ni nim so repeat 13 years akola bi e bia na metu akura o ton sa ase mani pa mienu miensa eti woni buo se de wo ka tie de make you the mama example say ebia na waton sa se kura mani pa mienu miensa eti society yenim se wo kronfo ebi kura na position e kura wo no enya wo dia ne mo abusua bi ye ni na wa eti uko ka kire court no a esa court ni timi gye wo ba court ni na be gina da kem ni ye hwe witness credibility ye hwe wo demeanor asana court no ana o mo se da bi o mo papa mba tie ni ye wo afa de na ka ho ne se ye ne ye fight the defense because substantive matter na nkase ye maso we are doing the prelims your file application then quickly omo movie ye emotion say omo pe default judgment tie die ntia no ye say aye baba ko ticket to case ye be wie ona be ka kire manfo ne say ko ticket to case ye be wie nya sa e wa bra na case ni kwa substantive matter ne ye nko so if say court for defamation and and there are so many defenses for defamation it could be a fair comment any other thing is available to the defendant so at this point when this guy thought that yem file a defense and quickly omo movie yes omo pe default judgment and say Saudi asama court na so be filing the defense na bre na so no ho ka kire court so on filing the defense there and yem court no mame a judgment so this is what this guy did on a lawyer no omo movie motion so omo pe default judgment. But there are court cases. So Supreme Court ruling it is binding on the lower courts, Court of Appeal and High Court. There are several Supreme Court judgments. It emphasizes say when you file affidavits of claim and the lawyer for the you cannot come back and ask for default judgment. Affidavits of claim, and this is pure knowledge in law, trite knowledge in law. After a movie or motion, and yet now adia cheni ya baba ma ruling on the whether or not ombenya default judgment na branch ya ba who abetro e won judge no say judge ne set up it's when him say funny now I did not even knew say ye judge no abema warning so me most wa try to am say we wa kan ho or go after obi it may finding out judge no just for me to know say oh yeah judge no betina case in so anopa no justice Elfrida no and akwa we hunra so for me wa court we na dey can court no anyway me what the court we hunra me and he kept on lying to the people we go jail and I may say without any substance and there was so obusa for the judgment in the ama and the ho you be kwa akwaja be redia mama for dem wo sa akwa we when you file for a year affidavit of claim, you don't go back to the court and say that I want default judgment. This is simple knowledge. And I'll call you and I'll court and say, unless offer procedure, not so proper procedure. And some procedure, no papa bet nada kept. And was said, no panel. What do you remember? After me and Jim remember be a remember for Munji.
From the president to the last person in the NDC, I'm not scared of anybody. Me, I am not scared of anybody in the NDC. We didn't work for you people to come and continue the same nonsense. Then from the president to the last person at Jubilee House who is in charge and condoning this nonsense. And I've directed this to the Chief of Staff's office, Julius Deborah. The last time I mentioned your name. The reason I'm mentioning your name is because I know that your office, the things you people are doing there, I don't agree with it. Maybe the president haven't heard what I'm saying. Take it to him.
Hold on. See the stupidity and the buffoonery in which he is ordering a chief of staff. Maybe the president hasn't heard it. Take it to him. See the way this guy is ordering Julius Debra about. Maybe the president and you, Julius Debra, I am speaking to you
because the last time, just look at him. Fire burn him.
And there's a character who says he will take matter to court.
More fire.
And when you ram make everything. It's almost filing for default judgment. Court now more default judgment. Now so pa yentie one and no the man this for.
If you don't take it to him, then it means that your job as the chief of staff, and how many chief of staff do you have? You have an advisor to the president, Valerie Sawyer. You are also part. I'm sending this message to you. Take it to the president. Callistus Mahama, you are the secretary to the president. I am sending this message to you. Take it to the president. Standogbe, I am sending this message to you. You people, the president is too busy, and if you people think you don't want to send a message to the president, I will find a way to send it to the president. But I'm sending you 4 people.
Hey, pause. Look at the demeanor. But I am sending you 4 people. I'm sending you 4 people. If you people don't take it to the president, I'll find a way to get you to the president.
More fire.
Never papa. I don't mind. Nana flowers. They are cocas and Macamiu, not 10 million going any hookies. Now go for the back on say, put me cockot. Na ebia ye kasa we kromfo. It was there be a defamation. Ba ko drua. Ebia na ye kromfo na ye. Na ye rapist. Eti e court no ye provision na ye rapist. Court no be ka say there be. Deserve it. Ebu akura no utimi nya defamation no. But who ask for 10 million? Ba court no betimi ahwe on flowers ntoma ya ufrefra. Also ebia mema 1000 Ghana. Say dia na ase ne ka Japan die ye. Eti we no ni ade no. And one also was sending Julius Debra. Look at the way he talks to them. Well, I better say you to America. I'm ordering you. Send them more.
You people should walk out of the Flagstaff house. Nobody get time for anybody. For now, I'll make it sound like the president hasn't heard it. That is why I've mentioned names. Julius Debra, I've mentioned your name. Valerie Sawyer, I've mentioned your name. Callistus Mahama, I've mentioned your name. And I've mentioned Standogbe, you 4. I don't want to hear any of you are involved in this nonsense. And in 24 hours to 48, 72 hours, by Monday or Tuesday, changes needs to be done. And nobody should think, say, this young man, nobody should even start.
So this is a Jataban of the Befia. When you more fire. I'm ordering you. Oh, the Julius Debra. Now, me Julius Debra, me need judgment. And you ma one man the boys in a year, me means me Cassentiana. Also, the boo, they cannot respect. Oh, I'm ordering you. I see. A court case in your coin. Processing in you. Now, go fi say opesi yes our case in this one. This was our kwashasi free remember. We gra me free legal education. Sa kwashasi bra. Now for papa be bad kem. And you want to make us papa mad. In Ghana, the default judgment is a legal ruling in favor of a plaintiff when a defendant fails to respond to the court summons or enter appearance within a prescribed time. This judgment is based solely on the defendant's inability to respond, not on the merits of the case. So that's it.
That one precisely. No.
And in the case in India, before judgment, no movie. You are too. And I know 10 million. 10 million be anyway. Why were down? 10 million be anyway. But you see, there's a video now Okatakyie for real tasem. There be am catch him said this guy or ye ifo or ye callous or ye deadly. And then cut it na sakwawi and kemaba to John Swabrono said we see the matem or fed delay dinner tem what the delay award dinner tem or to me fan na ya brefo na sabi kofi and kana na ya brefo yare na ni wumbu bekuno cancer betom na se sabi mprediasa na ya brefo ko yi ne cancer ani wum sabi yo benya nkwa yetime de ade wo asiri nipa unless we are bored we are callous na yes ade no obia wana ne suma semu delay ana delay moy na menua bema se delay ko ne mpaso a esu osu kire ni nyame wonim wasa to me fa ni pesi wo e dia ya yade e hye wo mu ne asoso nkwase asem wo su journalism obi to me fa sa ko dia yire we did atem ni asoso so say journalism afia pokuya to me twa afia pokuya da pass na bia kan na ne yire ne kunu kwase mpani na ne kunu abeka wo na afa be ka kire mo se akwa we or edited documents now says when Jimmy no adwini mo ha o ka say you don't even think have a muntie de obeka or ka for real tasem and o say or request say yamfa you or requesting my hospital no emfa krata bi mra no but sa krata no odi muntie no.
I'm going to follow this up. I'm going to get to the bottom of this. I'll bring you all the facts. The lies that Kenofuriata is lying to people. The hospital natural letter where they will let us know, and we will let Ghanaians know. I don't have anything to hide. Any response I'll get, we are pushing from another angle with some facts and some details. Anything we get from the hospital, I will not edit to one thing. I will put.
Hey. Dani Gina, Kuachika Cabinet Gina, Mom pay attention to words no issue, already, he is very good at editing stuff to suit your ear. Also, the refinable. I say anything the hospital sends, I will not edit one thing. So question you say, other ones in the way edit. Now we crown Okasa, I will not edit it. It means why edit here. So prejudice my argument.
From another angle with some facts and some details. Anything we get from the hospital, I will not edit to one thing. I will put everything out, and then we will all, at the end of the day, know.
The question you busa, or edit be your I will not edit one thing. Anything I get, I will not edit one thing. Editor in chief. Na say ne yire no. Or your chief editor of New York Times. It was just yes, or yeah, trainer in Manila na PDS, WhatsApp chat, or editing. I'm catching them away pony or your colors. It will catch us anything I get. I will not edit one thing. It's the end I will edit to be free. Mumusano. Mumusano, yeah. And what not getting more hadn't or Kasa on winning. Namibe kum, what's up? Or near the Iron for fire. Catch no fire. Said you abuse people in their homes. Yamibe kum Sikajabe kum cause who abuse for said you abuse ma and ma said you now when need a papa beer because all your papa said you see abuse ma oh, they are not man or budget smoke. They feel liberated. Now, a business former. Now, can go for your machine. Now, we're home. What's that one? This would chop on the part. Now, one can kind.